Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. And today we have a special guest who will introduce herself, and then we shall have a great reading session. I hope you enjoy the show. So, guest, please introduce yourself.
Okay, so my name is Ivy Claire Adhiambo.
And we want you to read the Luo language. Koro, wachnwa gidholuo nyingi en nga?
Nyinga and Ivy Claire Adhiambo.
In kanye, sani?
Uh,
Uh-oh.
I'm
Yawa.
Kenya, Kisumu Pacho.
Chakane kendo, iwacho ni in kanye?
An Kisumu, Kenya.
Oh, erokamano. Koro kawuono, wadwaro ni mondo isomnwa dholuo. Wadwa miyi wach dholuo moko mondo isom kanyo. Koro akia ni inya neno screen na no. Ero rit dakika 2. Inyalo neno?
Anene.
Aya, koro kawuono wadwa somo dholuo. If you've been joining this channel, this is book number 5 of the action verbs, and please remember that you can always request for these books by sending us an email on luoenglishdictionary@gmail.com. So this book was written by Agina and it's being read by Ivy Claire. So Ivy, ero chakane somo inene mokwongo. Ero wada keto ni page mokwongo. Koro chakane somo nyathi Kisumo.
Aluoko wiya.
Uh-huh.
I am washing my head.
No, don't read the English version. Just look the Luo one.
Aluoko wiya.
Now.
Aluoko lwet.
Uh-huh.
Aluoko wanga. Aluokora. Nyako cha luoko sende. Wuoyi cha luoko guok.
You're too fast. Can you read the 3 of them again?
Aluokora. Nyako cha luoko sende. Wuoyi cha luoko guok.
Uh-huh.
Miyo ni luoko lewni.
Again?
Miyo ni luoko lewni.
Uh-huh.
Wuoro no luoko nyamburko.
Again?
Wuoro no luoko nyamburko.
Uh-huh. The next one?
Mbura luokore.
Good. Uh-huh.
Nyaminwa luoko dier ot.
Huh?
Adwa luoko otuchi gi sabun mar pi. Nera luoko chuodho.
Ebu, just do that again.
From the top. Nyaminwa luoko dier ot. Adwa luoko otuchi gi sabun mar pi. Nera luoko tie dhiang' nikech dhiang' onyono chuodho. Luok olemo manitiere e wi mesa go kapok ichamogi.
Again? Come again.
Luok olemo manitiere e wi mesa go kapok ichamogi.
Luok olemo manitiere e wi mesa go kapok ichamogi.
Luok olemo manitiere e wi mesa go kapok ichamogi. Luya nega adwa luokora.
Next.
Adhi e od luok.
Good. Huh?
Be ise luokore. Oh, be ise luokori. Bene iluoko ndiga no bang' riembe. Oh, bene iluoko ndiga no bang' riembe.
Uh-huh.
Ng'ama ne oluoko ni lweti.
And the last two?
Iluokori kod pi marom nade? Be isekelo pi luok?
Good. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is a ebooks. Remember, we distribute the ebooks free of charge. You just write us an email on luoenglishdictionary@gmail.com. You can also find the video version posted on YouTube using the link on the ebook. So I just want to give an Ivy congratulations for reading very well. And any challenges that did you face any challenges?
Okay. In saying the long sentences, there were bits. Okay, you start and then in the middle you get some tough words and then you just have to struggle with them and start again. But at the end of the sentence, you find that it's making real good sense.
But what's your strategy? How come you sometimes I thought you were going to read it the wrong way and then you just started and you read it the right way. What is it you were looking at to ensure like you know the right thing?
Oh, so I was just looking for the content word, which I realized was low core and it meant to wash. So, in either one or the other way, I had to use my common sense so that it just fits in the low core part.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ivy. And we wish you well. And next time we shall be giving you more tougher sentences to read, okay?
Thank you.
So stay tuned.